Security has been beefed up in Tamil Nadu following the intelligence reports of the possibility of violence erupting during the farmers' protest, reports news agency IANS. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha, along with other farmers' organizations, trade unions and social organizations have planned a sit-in protest in front of the Raj Bhavans across the country on June 26th. The central intelligence agencies and Tamil Nadu state intelligence have briefed the state government on the possibility of violence during these agitations. Taking the report of the agencies seriously, the Tamil Nadu State Police have beefed up security for the Raj Bhavan at Chennai and all the central government institutions in the state, including the Kudankulam nuclear power plant as well as the Madras atomic power plant at Kalpakkam. There are reports that the sit-in protests of the Samyukta Kisan Morcha, Save Agriculture, Save Democracy, on June 26th may turn violent, and intelligence agencies have passed on the information of those who had participated in agitations against the farm laws in New Delhi from Tamil Nadu. The possibilities of certain ultra-Tamil national movements and political parties sympathetic to the Tamil cause are also under scanner. The joint platform of trade unions including CITU, AITUC, INTUC, LPF, HMS and others have already expressed support to farmers in their agitation against the farm laws. Intelligence agencies have reported that certain ISI-backed outfits are trying to sabotage the farmers' agitation by possibly entering into the stir, camouflaging as farmers and doing some damage. Hence, the state has been put on high alert and the agencies, both the internal security agency and the external agency, have upped their ante on the same. The Tamil Nadu police have already accessed security control of the Raj Bhavan at Chennai and the Raj Bhavan at Udagamandalam in Ooty, which is the summer residence of the Tamil Nadu governor. Intelligence have also given alerts to the Kerala Raj Bhavan and have provided an alert on the movements of suspicious people and organizations. With the recent incident of used gelatin sticks recovered from an area adjacent to the forest area in Pathanapuram of Kollam district and Adur of Pathanamthitta district of Kerala, the state police are also not taking any chances. Tamil Nadu police sources told INS that they were already in touch with the farmers' groups and trade unions to get more information on probable participants. As there is no permission for any protest or agitation due to the COVID-19 situation and prohibitory orders are in place, the possibility of spontaneous agitation is being closely monitored by the state police with the support of the central agencies. News Desk, Kaumudy English.